as I've traveled the world, I've noticed there's one theme that brings together every social entrepreneur, every activist that's doing good work in the world, everyone that's contributing, everyone that's a global citizen. What do they all have in common is that they step outside of themselves. They live for others. So to be a global citizen, that's all we have to do. We don't need to move to Africa. We don't need to join the Peace Corps. We don't need to raise $1 million for a nonprofit organization. All we have to do to be a global citizen is take the needs of the person sitting right next to us and place them on an equal to or greater pedestal than our own. And our responsibility today is to connect with the value of the service that we offer. What you offer people are experiences that will last a lifetime, and that is priceless. Service is not the byproduct of success. It is the starting point. Now you can do something crazy. We're going to take the needs of the person sitting next to us, and we're going to place them on a greater pedestal than our own. But what happened to our left hand? Oh no, what happened to ourselves? I forgot about it. Where is it? Is it dead? Is it on the ground? Is it falling? No.
It's up in the air too. Because when you look out for others, the entire world looks out for you. And that's all you have to do to be a global citizen. Thank you so much.